kitchen, you guys, and today we'll be making non-baked Snickers cheesecake. And these are my ingredients. You'll need a large bowl, a can of sweetened condensed milk. This is 2 tablespoons of melted butter. You're gonna need a cheesecake pan. The bottom comes out of it, and this is wax paper, just so it'll be easier when you take the bottom out of it. You're gonna need any type of cookies, or you can do graham crackers. And I have a can opener for my condensed milk. This is the candy that I'll be using. I got the white chocolate and regular chocolate, and I got creamer, coffee creamer, and this one is about empty, so I got another one, and lemon juice, and a few measuring cups, and this is a cake holder. But let's get started, you guys. So the first step we're gonna do, I'm gonna wash my hands, because I'll be using my hands.
What is this for?
Oh, the caramel is gonna be to decorate it. After I get finished putting the Snickers on, and the caramel is just gonna be to drizzle over the top to decorate it, and for looks, just for looks. So the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to open our cookies in a bowl, and we're just gonna crumble them up, because this is gonna be used for the crust. So you can either, probably have to use my hands, so you're just gonna crumble them up like so, because it's gonna be used for the crust, the bottom part. So you're just gonna crumble them up, and there's no right or wrong way to do this. So we're just crumbling them up. The next thing we're gonna do is, after you crumble them up, you can put them in a Ziploc bag and crumble them up like that, but what the heck, I already have a bowl and I'm like, whatever. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add our 2 tablespoons of butter to that, and we're gonna mix that up. It's gonna help it stick together, the butter is. So we're gonna mix it up well. I think it's mixed good enough. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take it and we're gonna dump it in our bowl. In our container. And you're just gonna, I'll be right back. So I forgot I needed a glass. So I'm gonna wash my glass off, because we're gonna use this to evenly smash it down. So you're gonna take the glass or cup or whatever, it has to have a smooth bottom, and you're gonna smush it down to form the crust. Make sure you pat it down evenly in the pan. So I'm gonna move it over a little bit because I got a hole right there. Okay. So when you get done with that, you're gonna stick this in the refrigerator until it cools while we get our cheesecake together. Okay. The next step is, you guys, we're going to get 2 cups of coffee creamer. It doesn't matter what flavor, but 2 cups of coffee creamer. See, that one was about empty. So 1 cup. Then let me open up this one. This one's brand new.
Hey, you used all my coffee cream.
Okay, boo. And 2. So we can set that aside. Welcome back, you guys. And I forgot I need a half a cup of water. So we're gonna add that in. A half a cup of cold water. I'll put that aside and we're just gonna stir it up. So next we're gonna add our 1 can of sweet condensed milk to that. Make sure you get it all out. Now stir that up. Make sure you get as many as the lumps as you can out of it. Make sure you stir it well. We're gonna use a cake mixer to get all the lumps out when we get done. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add our half cup of lemon juice, and you're just gonna add it a little at a time. So we're gonna do half of this and stir it up, and we're gonna add the other half. And the lemon juice is gonna thicken it up. See it thickening up already. And we're gonna add the other half of the lemon juice. Now, I thought we was gonna need the cake mixer, but it looks like we're not gonna need it. So we're just gonna go with it. And it looks like it's thick enough. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our crust out of the fridge. We're gonna set it aside. And we're gonna take our candy and we're just gonna cut it up. Move all this out the way. We're gonna cut our Snickers up. And you can cut it up however you like. I'm just gonna cut it up long like this. I'm gonna save a few of those for the top. I'm just gonna cut it in little chunks like this to put inside the cheesecake for the middle layer. Babe, come on.
Who are you talking to, lady?
You ready?
I've been ready. It's been recording, like, showing everybody you being mean to
Anyway,
me.
welcome back, you guys. At this point, we're just gonna layer our cheesecake. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna layer it, one layer of cheesecake. We're just gonna smooth it out. It's not gonna be perfect, but okay, you're gonna get them corners good. Okay. Next we're gonna do is we're gonna layer the cheesecake with some Snickers. And smash them down a little bit. Okay, this should be enough. Next we're gonna do is we're gonna add the second layer of cheesecake. And see how thick it is? Yeah, my husband gave me a hard time today. And I'm trying to stay calm. But we finna have to pause this video. I'm gonna have to get on to him. Cause he being extra right now, y'all. Making me nervous. I don't like dealing with him when he like this. Okay, anyway. We just gonna smooth the cheesecake out now, you guys. And we're gonna smooth this out and we're gonna see y'all back in a few minutes to decorate it. Thank you for watching. Welcome back, you guys. At this point, the cheesecake is ready. And I put me some caramel in the microwave and melted it. So we're just gonna decorate it at this point. So I'm just gonna put 3 Snickers in the middle. And I'm gonna just decorate it any way you like. And then we're just gonna drizzle some caramel over the top. And be careful because it's hot once you warm it up. So we're just gonna take a spoon and drizzle it over it. So once we done doing that, you're gonna get you a cake pan, and we're just gonna set it in the cake pan and cover it up, and you're gonna let it sit overnight, and we will see y'all in the morning to see how the finished result comes out. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Welcome back to Teresa's Kitchen, you guys. As you can see, the cheesecake has been sitting overnight, and I took it out of the cheesecake container, and this is how the finishing product is or looks.